Youngin on this beat.
Alright, welcome back, guys. First off, I'd like to start this video by telling everyone thank you that went ahead and watched the video, and I really appreciate those of you that subscribed and that reached out to me in the comments. It motivates me to continue to put out more content, and like I said, I really do appreciate it. For today's video, it's probably going to be a bit shorter than what I originally intended. Long story short, I installed a new to me downpipe. I picked up a ETS open dump downpipe thanks to my boy Brian. So shout out to Brian for the deal on the new downpipe. I recorded the install, but unfortunately I recorded it in 4K, and my computer setup currently isn't capable of editing 4K video. And to be completely honest, I'm not super knowledgeable on computer setups just in general. So I'm learning as I go, but like I said, I do apologize. I wish I was able to edit that video or edit that footage and be able to share it with you guys. But unfortunately I can't. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through on what it is that I did. So like I said, I installed an ETS open dump. Prior to the open dump, I had a 3-inch downpipe on there. It was I believe it's pronounced a Krapovic 3-inch downpipe, which didn't include like the full turbo elbow part. It was just the downpipe itself. I'm currently tuned only on 91. I'm hoping that the AFRs aren't thrown off too much, but I'll be sure to keep a close eye on it, being that this is different from what was on there prior. So really quick, this is the downpipe that I had on prior. I started off by removing the test pipe first. After I removed the test pipe, I went ahead and removed the O2 sensors, the wideband and the factory ones. From there, I went into the engine bay, removed some of the bolts off of like the turbo housing from the elbow portion to the turbo. I removed those. And there's actually a couple bolts, one or two, that you can get through the passenger wheel well if you remove the passenger front. So obviously, like I said, I went ahead and jacked the car up, had it up on all fours. It didn't take me too long at all to actually remove it. After I broke it loose, I was able to actually pull it out from underneath the car, all as one piece. This hasn't been removed. I didn't take this off. I just pulled it out from underneath the car all as one piece. Now with all that being said, let's go see what the open dump sounds like. overall, I think the ETS sounds pretty good. I don't think I'll be getting tired of how loud it is anytime soon. Upon checking my AFRs higher up in the RPMs, my AFRs were a little bit leaner than they were prior to me installing it, but nothing too drastic. But I do still want to go ahead and get a retune, but I think I'm going to end the video here. I really do appreciate everyone for checking out the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at ChrisDoesCars. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, and until next time, see ya.